Thutha wa kuhitukio ni President William Ruto muthiini wa mweri muhituku watho uria uragiriria aruti wira thirikari kuhura biacara na thirikari uria UIKAINE ta conflict of interest bill ni wambiriirie kurutithio wira umuthi. Riu muruti wira wothe wa thirikari akibatarikana guikara kuraya na thogore cia thirikari. No ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu ikambiriria guthoma thirikari ikiuga ndihariirie kurika wega mbara-ini ya kuhurana na ungumania. Riu ikiendekithia aruti wira thirikari aria othe mari na kandarathi irathie na mbere thirikari-ini makanjirwo kandarathi ici.
The full implementation of the Conflict of Interest Act of 2025 be prioritized by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission as per Section 5 of the Act and supported by all arms of government. This includes mandatory declaration of interest, enforcement of penalties, proactive compliance checks across ministries, departments, and agencies, and cancellation of the ones that have already been reported to be contracts with conflicted interest.
Kuringana na ikundi ici rungu rwa watho uyu mweru ni mugaru na watho maabitha thirikari guthie na mbere kwihe kandarathi cia thirikari nyingi cia cioririe megwatagira na njira njikirire nganja riu makiurio guthenga thirikari-ini kana gutigirira kandarathi ici ni cieheanwo kuri Akenya angi.
All of us know that getting to become a member of parliament, getting into the executive is the quickest route to becoming rich. That's why our politics are so vicious. Because you know, you get into parliament, you are able to get access to public resources, to get your hand into the public purse.
The unchecked use of public office for personal or political gain reflects a long-standing culture of impunity where laws are ignored and ethical boundaries are consistently crossed.
Kuona watho uyu mweru ni utamburukitie wega maherithia maria mabatie gutungia aria mawagarara ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania rwa EACC rukorio kuoya itemi riaguo ria gutigirira watho uyu ni wakinyanirio hatari gutigirira muwagarario na umwe.
EACC has been sleeping on the job. When they say they want to be invited to investigate, why were they created in the first place? The cases that have been forwarded to the ODPP that have never been investigated, that have never been finalized, also points to the weaknesses in terms of the functionality of public institutions. And we are saying that this law should become like a catalyst.
Oho ni mendekithitie kandarathi ciothe cia thirikari ikambagwo mutambo-ini wa muingi uria ungikinyirika ni mukenya wothe niguo Akenya mataukirwo ni amahetwo mawira ma thirikari undu mwe na kumenya uria megwateire kandarathi ici.
The ongoing digitization of public procurement through the e-government procurement platform must be fast-tracked and fully integrated with integrity checks. The platform should include automated red flags for conflict of interest risks, mandatory interest declarations, and real-time public access to procurement data, including the true beneficial owners of companies receiving public contracts.
Haduini Kameme TV, Turakoni Bataru, Wamwagi.